you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
So okay goodie, I'm going to be using drumstick for this recipe. You could use any part of the chicken that you feel like using, but I'm going drumsticks today. Now the spices that you're going to need for this recipe is all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, onion powder, paprika and cayenne pepper, salt and black pepper, mustard flour, parsley, garlic and honey. And of course you're going to need some mustard because it's mustard chicken you're making, and you're going to need some vinegar. Right there. Come on, let's get started. Now if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe, like and share the video, alright? Always something good going on. Now in that container I have my mustard right there, and I'm going to season it up real good so it has flavor. So we're going to onion powder, cayenne pepper and paprika, all-purpose seasoning and chicken seasoning, salt and black pepper, mustard flour and parsley, fresh garlic, and your honey goes in, and your vinegar, and mix all this together. Now for your next step, you're going to need a Ziploc bag, pretty much like this one, and pour that good sauce on top of that. Now you're going to go ahead and get all that goodness right there and just mix it up. You want to make sure so you get the chicken really seasoned well. Now you could put this in your refrigerator overnight, or if you don't have the overnight time like me, you go ahead and you just let it sit for at least an hour, because you really need this thing to season up real good and have flavor. So just give it some time, alright? Now my chicken was marinated for 1 hour because I'm hungry. Usually you want to do this overnight. So I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken in. You want to go ahead and fry these bad boys up for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, and you remove them off the heat. Now that is your Ziploc bag with all the nice juices that you use to marinate the chicken. Now you're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of water into that bag. And what we're doing here is getting all those good juices up, because we're going to need it to finish off this dish. Okay y'all, in that pot is where you fry your chicken, and a whole lot of goodness down in that pot bottom. So we're going to add some butter to it. And then you add your liquid, and that's your mixture that you use to marinate your chicken with. And the total amount that I put in here was exactly 2 cups. Now you just want to go ahead and get that good flavor that's stick in the bottom of that pot. Just go ahead and bring it on up to the top, because that's what's going to give this chicken mad crazy flavor. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to let it go ahead and simmer all the way down until it comes nice and creamy and juicy and tasty. So me come back and do that, then you put the chicken in and let it finish up. Now when you get it looking pretty much like that, you don't want to cover it up. You want to leave it uncovered. And you're going to stay there with this thing and continuously just do this. You want to put that good sauce on that chicken. Just allow it to simmer And you want that gravy to become nice and glowy. So you're going to let it stay there and simmer. Do not go far left this thing and burn up the chicken. Make sure you have the thing pan medium heat. And there you have it, guys. I'm all done. My sides are baked potato and some steamed fresh organic callaloo. Doesn't that look good, y'all? Not only does it look good, but trust me, it tastes good too. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up, share. Make me know where you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next now. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.